Okay, guys. So we understand that there's two kinds of crust. Kids, there's oceanic crust and there's continental crust. This is what happens, kids, when oceanic crust converges or comes together with continental crust. And this is what we're going to learn about today. So here we go. Ocean continent convergent plate boundaries. What do you see when oceanic lithosphere subducts? Kids, one goes under the other. At a convergent plate boundary, when one plate is oceanic, there are large volcanoes. These volcanoes are found in lines that outline the subduction zone. Earthquakes also happen in these zones. The Aleutian Islands that border southern Alaska are an island arc. In this winter image from space, the volcanoes are covered in snow. So they're kind of inactive, but you can see, kids, um, here's a volcano. We don't know what that is. Here's a volcano. Here's a volcano. Not quite sure what all's going on here. But kids, these are just inactive volcanoes at this time. Now, it kind of makes sense that we would have volcanoes happen where literally the plates are squishing the stuffing right out of the earth. That stuffing, kids, is that hot molten lava. Okay. Convergent plate boundaries. A convergent plate boundary forms where two plates collide. That collision can happen between a continent and an ocean crust, between two oceanic plates, or between two continental plates. Oceanic crust is always destroyed in these collisions, mainly, kids, because it's the heaviest and the thinnest, and it gets forced under the continental crust. Ocean continent convergence. Oceanic crust may collide with a continent. The oceanic plate is denser, so it undergoes subduction. This means that the oceanic plate sinks beneath the continental crust. This occurs at an ocean trench. And kids, so you can see along the side here, man, that is just a huge drop off. I mean, right now. Subduction zones are where subduction takes place. And so, kids, this is a really good picture. As you would expect, where plates collide, there are a lot of intense earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. The subducting oceanic plate melts as it re-enters the mantle, or it gets recycled. The magma rises up and erupts. This creates a volcanic mountain range near the coast of the continent. This range is also called a continental arc. The Andes Mountains in South America, kids, are a volcanic arc. And I've lost my lights. Ocean to ocean convergence. Ocean plate to ocean plate convergence. Two oceanic plates may collide. In this case, the older plate is denser. This plate subducts beneath the younger one. As the subducting plate is pushed deeper into the mantle, it melts. The magma this creates rises and erupts. This forms a line of volcanoes known as island arc. Japan, Indonesia, the Philippine Islands, and the Aleutian Islands of Alaska are examples of island arcs. And we saw that picture when we first started. Here, kids, this is Japan. Now, there's a nice little video here about convergent boundaries. Kids, here's your summary. There's your questions. Good luck on your practice And make sure you put this in your virtual notebook. Bye-bye.